Well, it was a fairly warm weekend for the middle latter part of December with highs in the 40s for most of us, both Saturday and Sunday. Got a mix of precipitation coming for early Monday, and in that mix it could start off with some freezing rain and snow, changing over to snow during the morning hours. The timing is critical with this. Doesn't look like a lot of snow, but coming during the morning commute on Monday, so it might slow you down a little bit. Dramatic drop in temperatures coming next week. The coldest day of the season so far is going to hit just before the holiday, looks like for Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. Wind chills by Friday morning, Christmas morning getting down below zero. And a coating of snow possible by Christmas Day, it looks like, too. Now, the snow that's coming tomorrow morning is going to melt with highs in the 40s, but there's another round of snow coming later in the week that could stick around for a few days. We had highs today get up into the low 40s again, the second day in a row with highs in the 40s. 41 degrees at O'Hare, 41 degrees at Midway. A little colder in McHenry. You didn't quite make it up to 40, got up to 38. We had wind gusts up to around 25, 30 miles an hour, so it felt a little bit colder than the 40s. It felt more like the 20s and 30s. Clouds and radar out there. We had some sunshine mixed with clouds. The clouds will fill back in, I think, later on this evening. We're watching this fast-moving clipper system here that is weakening as it approaches, but it's producing a little bit of snow here across parts of North Dakota into Minnesota. This will be diving southeastward and again arriving after midnight tonight. Could coat the ground with a little bit of wet snow tomorrow, but the ground will be warm enough and hopefully the roads will be treated. It shouldn't be a big deal in terms of the roadways, but it might slow you down just because of the timing. So we'll look at that timing right now. Real-time satellite radar tracker shows the clouds building back in tonight. And then around 2, 3 o'clock in the morning, the first snow showers start to break out north and west. You'll see some areas of pink here. That could be some freezing rain initially mixed in, and most of it out of here by about 8 or 9 o'clock in the morning. Then we could see a couple of sprinkles during the afternoon as we warm up above freezing, but just kind of cloudy after that, it looks like, during much of Monday. So we'll look at a couple different forecast models for snowfall. Two systems to watch. The first one, again, late tonight or into early tomorrow morning. This model, the GFS model, suggesting maybe a dusting, so not a big deal for us. But then it adds out a little bit more snow late Wednesday into early Christmas Eve day. And we could end up on the ground with close to an inch of snow that could stick around through Christmas Day. We needed an inch to officially call it a white Christmas, so it's borderline. This is the European model suggesting, again, just like the GFS model, maybe a dusting of snow late tonight towards tomorrow morning. More snow coming from this model. Looks like a little bit later, more towards Christmas Eve day, and we could be looking at just over an inch of snow on the ground. So again, this would also qualify us for a white Christmas. So we'll have to wait and see. These models will probably change over the next couple of days. But tonight's lows getting down to around 30, some upper 20s in the outlying areas. Tomorrow's high temperatures again in the 40s for at least the third day in a row. Looking for low 40s for most of us, maybe mid 40s down towards Joliet and also Kankakee. We could see high temperatures get up near 50 degrees by Wednesday. So your forecast for tonight, we'll start off just kind of cloudy, and then we'll see that light mix develop after midnight. Lows getting down to around 30. Light mix of some rain, freezing rain, snow, changing over to more snow during the morning commute tomorrow. 42 for the high, and then during the afternoon we could see a transition back over to just some spotty sprinkles or a couple light showers. But I think after the morning, most of the rest of the day is going to be dry on Monday. Your 7-day forecast, we've got a dramatic turn in it towards the end of the week, but 42 tomorrow with the light mix in the morning, partly cloudy on Tuesday, 42, more 40s, near 50 on Wednesday. That next mix, it looks like, arrives late Wednesday and into early Christmas Eve morning when it changes over to snow. Highs only in the 20s, both looks like Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. We'll see single-digit lows by Friday morning for Christmas morning. More on that in a second. Then we warm back up to about average on Saturday with a high of 32, 38 with some more snow or wintry mix on Sunday. But look at these wind chills come Friday morning. Could be looking at wind chills getting down to around 5 to nearly 15 degrees below zero. I'm meteorologist Tim McGill.